Imagine waking up to a world where rivers no longer flow clean, forests no longer echo with wildlife, and the air we breathe slowly harms us. This is not a distant future, this is the reality we are moving towards if ecosystem degradation continues unchecked. Today, I will talk about ecosystem degradation in India, its causes, impacts, and most importantly, how restoration offers a sustainable path forward. What is ecosystem degradation? An ecosystem includes forests, rivers, wetlands, grasslands, oceans, and all living organisms interacting with the environment. Ecosystem degradation happens when these natural systems lose their ability to function properly due to human activities. In India, we are witnessing this in many forms. Deforestation in the Western Ghats, pollution of the Ganga River, shrinking wetlands like Shilka Lake, air pollution crises in cities like Delhi. These are not isolated problems, they are warning signals. Causes of ecosystem degradation. The major causes in our country include rapid urbanization, expanding cities reduce green covers, industrial pollution, untreated waste contaminates rivers and soil, over-extraction of resources, mining, groundwater depletion, overfishing, agricultural expansions, excessive chemical fertilizers and pesticides, climate change, increasing heat waves, floods, and droughts. For example, studies show that parts of the Aravalli Range have been severely degraded due to mining and deforestation. Impacts on our country. Ecosystem degradation directly affects food security, soil fertility decreases, water availability, rivers dry up or get polluted, biodiversity, species disappear, public health, air and water pollution increases diseases, economic instability, farmers and fishermen suffer losses. During the floods in Kerala, experts linked part of the damage to deforestation and mismanaged land use. So, economic degradation is not just an environmental issue, it is a social and economic issue. Ecosystem restoration, the sustainable solution. Restoration means helping damaged ecosystems recover. India has already taken important steps. Afforestation and reforestation. Programs like Green India Mission aims to increase forest cover and improve ecosystem services. River restoration. The Namami Ganga program focuses on cleaning and rejuvenating the Ganga River. Wetland conservations. Communities helped restore Shilka Lake, which improved fish production and biodiversity. Sustainable agriculture. Promoting organic farming, drip irrigation, and climate smart agriculture reduces environmental stress. Community participation. Many villages now practice watershed management and joint forest management, proving that local involvement is a key. Restoration not only protects nature but also creates jobs, improves livelihoods, and strengthens economic resilience. Research gaps and challenges. Despite efforts, challenges remains. Weak implementation of environmental laws, lack of long-term monitoring, insufficient community awareness, conflicts between development and conservation, limited use of technology like AI-based environmental monitoring. We need stronger policies, better scientific data, and more youth involvement, a sustainable approach forward. A sustainable future requires balance, development without destroying nature. We must promote renewable energy, Encourage sustainable urban planning. Protect biodiversity hotspots. Integrate traditional ecological knowledge with modern science. Involve students and young innovators in green solutions. As future engineers, scientists, and citizens, we have a responsibility to design solutions that work with nature, not against it. Conclusion. Ecosystem degradation is a serious challenge, but restoration gives us hope. If we act responsibly today, we can ensure clean rivers, green forests, fertile soil, and healthy communities tomorrow. The question is not whether we can restore our ecosystems. The question really is, are we ready to take responsibility? Because sustainability is not just a policy, it is our duty.